Winter. Oh my gosh, it's only 7 a.m.
Good morning, bestie. Want to dance with me?
Dance? Where do I even get the energy to?
K-pop gives me energy in the morning.
Yeah, and it gives me a headache too.
Come on, music makes me feel alive.
And it makes the neighbors feel awake too, Winter. It's 7 a.m. and many people are still asleep.
Okay. Maybe I'm too loud sometimes.
Sometimes? You sound like a concert every day.
Well, I do dream of being on stage.
I dream of finishing my coffee in silence. Sorry, I know you love dancing, but you have to do something about this, Winter.
So what do you say? There will not be any music before 9 a.m.
Yes, I will have been to work by 9 a.m. After 9 a.m., you can dance all you want.
Deal. Not just you, but many people will be at work by then. I can enjoy my dancing time.
Perfect. And I'll enjoy my peaceful mornings.
That's a win-win.
Now, turn off the music, Winter. You can turn it back on at 9.
Now. I have already started dancing. I cannot stop now.
I knew it. You're impossible, Winter.
I promise I will obey the new rule from tomorrow, my strict queen.
It's been 30 minutes, honey. You're still doing your skincare?
Of course. It's my night routine. You know that.
You've been in here for half an hour.
Beauty takes time, darling. You just don't understand skincare.
I understand. You have like 10 bottles here.
12, actually. Each has a special job.
12? A dozen?
Very funny. So this one keeps my skin healthy and glowing.
My skin glows too, and I only use soap.
And that's why it's so dry, baby.
Dry? It's called manly texture.
Haha, no. It's called rough and bumpy. Look, if you ever need to, this moisturizer will ease the red rashes all over your face at the moment.
Hey, that's rude, Mrs. Smooth Skin.
I'm just saying you could try a little care too.
Nah, I'm fine. I'm naturally handsome.
Naturally? You spend 30 minutes styling your hair every morning.
That's different. My hair cannot naturally get into shape.
Aha. So hair care is okay, but skin love isn't?
Well, it's not the same thing.
Oh, really? You use 3 kinds of gel, Ben.
They have different purposes, Maggie.
And so does my skincare. We're even.
Well, yeah. I'm sorry for teasing you. We both make an effort to look good, and it should be all right.
It's fine. I'm actually very happy that you keep yourself clean and handsome.
Did you just call me handsome?
Of course. My husband is super handsome. Well, if only your skin is a little less red.
Let me see. Can I borrow your moisturizer?
See? I knew you'd join the skincare club.
One time. Don't tell anyone.
Haha. Can't promise, honey. One thing I am sure of is that your skin will be glowing.
Good morning, my sunshine. Ready for yoga?
Morning, Grandma. Do we have to do it now?
Of course. Morning air is the best for exercising.
I'm not really sure. Morning air makes me want more sleep, Grandma.
Lazy Lily. Come on, stretch your arms.
Yawn. I can't even open my eyes, Grandma.
That's why we do yoga, to wake up your mind. You young people sleep too much these days.
And the grandmas wake up too early.
Early bird, healthy bird, my dear. See, I invite you here with me because I know yoga keeps me strong and happy.
I know you want to help me, Grandma, but isn't it bad to move too early?
Not at all. It helps your heart and bones. Come on, Lily. Breathe in, breathe out.
Yawn. I'm breathing slowly, very slowly.
That's right. Relax your body.
Yawn, I'm relaxing. Too much, maybe.
Lily, you're lying down, not stretching.
Shh, Grandma, just 5 minutes. I'm doing the lying pose.
Lying pose? That's not a thing.
It is now.
Oh dear, I lost my yoga partner already.
You're the best, Grandma. Good night.
It's a good morning, sleepyhead. Fine, I'll let you rest, but tomorrow, no escape.
Morning, my man. You came early today.
Always, bro. I'm here at 7 a.m. sharp 6 days a week.
6 days? Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah, the gym is part of my life now.
Then why is your belly still a little round?
Honestly, I don't know, man. It's so strange.
It definitely is. You train hard, right?
Of course. 2 hours every session.
That's even stricter than my session. Hey, mind telling me about your full daily routine?
So, I wake up at 6 a.m., I warm up a bit in the bathroom, then I have breakfast before hitting the gym.
Breakfast?
Oh, just a little snack. Chicken, rice, maybe some bread.
That sounds like a full meal, Tom.
Well, I need energy to work out, right?
Sure. So what about after working out?
Oh, after 2 hours? I'm normally starving, so I usually grab a sandwich from the store nearby.
So you eat before and after training?
Or else I may faint, bro. Training takes a lot of my energy.
Maybe, but from what I heard, the portions sound pretty big.
Big enough to make me happy. I love food.
You know, eating too much food may make you gain weight despite all the training.
Wait, that's not all. Sometimes I have dinner parties.
Dinner parties? How often?
3 days a week, probably. My office has so many events.
So you train for 2 hours and then eat for 3?
Oh, something like that.
No wonder your abs are still sleeping, bro.
Hey, they're not sleeping. They're in progress.
In progress? More like under construction.
Okay, fine. I eat too much, I admit it.
My advice is that you can exercise for 1 hour only, which may help you feel less tired and hungry afterwards.
That makes sense.
And maybe try to reduce those dinner parties.
Now that does not make sense. I cannot reject work parties, you know?
You can always eat less during the parties, though.
Fair enough.
Good. Let's see your abs next month. Deal?
Deal, bro. But if they don't show up, I'll just have some more comfort food.
Classic, Tom.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what is your special daily habit? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.